Hello everyone, and welcome to Nagyez Mobile Solution Center. If you're new here, this channel is all about Android tips, phone repairs, FRP updates, troubleshooting guides, and honest tech tutorials that save you time. Before we begin, if you haven't watched part 1, I highly recommend checking it out after this video. In that video, we tested a no PC FRP bypass method on the Tecno KM4, and the results were surprising. Now we're back with part 2. This time, we're testing the same idea on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro, model KM6, running Android 15. A friend of mine recently told me this method worked perfectly for him on his device. So today, we're going to test it ourselves from start to finish and see whether it really works on Android 15. As always, I won't fake results or edit out failures. You'll see exactly what happens on the phone. Now let's begin the test. If you enjoy honest smartphone content like this, please take a second to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and leave a comment telling me whether this method worked for you, or if you found another solution. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future FRP updates, Android tips, and repair tutorials. Well, we've reached the end of the test, and now it's time for the truth. Unfortunately, this method does not work on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro KM6 running Android 15. Based on my testing, Android 15 devices cannot currently be bypassed using free, no-PC methods alone. In most cases, you'll need a computer or professional paid software/tools that support the specific device and security patch. If new methods become available in the future, I'll test them and share the results here on the channel. Thanks for watching.